Hi there, this is Crystal, and today I'm sharing a flip through of my Thankful 30 album from 2018. There are process videos for all the days inside here on my channel, so I will be sure to link those below, but today's just going to be a quick flip through of the finished product. So this is the album. It's a 4x4 album from A Beautiful Mess. It's a messy book, I believe it's called, that I purchased on deep discount from Studio Calico when A Beautiful Mess stopped creating their messy kits. I still haven't added a label, so I need to do that, but it will have just a small label denoting the year and Thankful 30. The one thing that isn't in the video is the title page. I finished that after I completed all the rest of them, but it's using a card from Feed Your Craft and some little leaves that are printables from Illustrated Faith. This chipboard is from Ali Edwards. These little copper asterisk chipboard pieces are from Studio Calico, I believe, and then the stickers are an old Amy Tangerine set, and then this tiny little bit is from American Crafts. I can't remember what the collection is called. I'll link it below if I can find it. It's older though, I may not be able to find it, but I will link it if I can. Okay, so day one, I was thankful for coffee. So each day has the same format. One side is a journaling card, the other side is a photo, and then the tag in the middle denotes what day it is. And these numbers are from the Reset Girl online shop. And then the cards are all from Feed Your Craft. The rest is just a compilation of different supplies from different companies that were just in my stash. So day two, I was thankful for nature. We have a nature park here in town that we like to go to, and I'm super glad that it's there. I'm very thankful for that. It's actually walking distance from our house, which is really, really nice. Day three was for memory keeping. I'm thankful that I get to do this hobby and that it leaves my family with something so that we can remember our fun times together. Day four is thankful for my band, which is fairly new within the last year or so that I've been singing regularly with a group, and it's a lot of fun, so had to be thankful for that. Day five is my job. I'm very thankful to have a job that I can walk to and that helps pay the bills. Day six is my partner, Jesse. Very thankful for him. I don't know what I'd do without him, and I definitely don't say it enough, but I'm very thankful to have him in my life. Day seven is our house. So we've been working on our house for quite some time now, and we're nearly finished. I'm very thankful that we have this place in this town that we love. Day eight was for food. So lately, I was thankful for Freshly. We'd been getting Freshly deliveries since we were working on our kitchen, and it was hard to cook an actual meal, so we took advantage of excuse me while I let my dog out. Sorry about that. She can be pretty insistent these days. So I was saying that day eight was I was thankful for food. We had been getting a lot of Freshly delivery. It made life so much easier for us with our kitchen under construction. So I actually wrote all of the journaling back in November while I was doing Thankful 30, but it took me a while to put the album together, so I only finished it this year. Day nine was for time to read. I have a kind of a routine where I get time every morning to read just a little bit, which I love doing, so it means a lot to me to have that. Day 10 is we have a tradition of Wednesday Italiano at our house, so we have Italian food most Wednesday evenings, and we have wine and light candles, and I just love that time together. Day 11, I was thankful for my routine. I am a very much a routine-based kind of person. I like to know what's going on and have everything planned out, so I'm really thankful that we've kind of found our groove and have made it work. Day 12 was for TV. I probably watch way too much TV, but I love that it gives me a way to kind of shut down my brain and relax at the end of the day. Day 13 was my car. I actually got a new car this year, which I am very, very thankful for. I love it very much. It's a Prius. Day 14 was for this recipe, which is my grandmother's party mix recipe, and it is legendary and so, so good. I make it once a year, and yeah, it is definitely something we look forward to. Day 15, I was thankful for this place, by which I mean our town, the town that we live in. This is actually a view just up the road from our house. I was walking to work, I believe, that day. I love this place very much. I know we won't be here forever, but I'm definitely trying to enjoy our time while we're here. So day 16 was for our dishwasher. It was life-changing to get a dishwasher in our kitchen. We'd never had one in this house before, so I'm very thankful for that. Day 17 was our yearly trip to Michigan. I love going up to Michigan. It's so gorgeous up there. I love that we make time for it every year, even though we're both very busy. It means a lot to be able to do that. So I had to add that in the album. Day 18 was the fact that the fact that I had gotten through this year. It's been a bit rough, but I survived, and I'm here, and I am, I don't know if I'm thriving, but I'm doing okay. So I'm very thankful for that. Day 19 is thankful for our mornings. So this is a little bit repetitive. So I've had routine and I've had time to read already, but it's our morning routine that I really love. The way that that we have given ourselves time in the morning to start the day right, to make coffee and sit down and relax before having to rush into our day. Day 20 was for Jesse's technical skill. So Jesse is a software architect, and he is amazing at it. He does an amazing job, and he keeps us afloat. My salary as a librarian definitely doesn't. So I'm very thankful that he has a job that he's not only good at, but that he loves, and is lucrative, because unfortunately we all have to make money. Day 21 was for my friends. So there were many years where I didn't really have friends, and now I can count quite a few people amongst that list. So it's nice to be able to hang out and relax and blow off steam with people that you love. Day 22, this one's kind of strange. It's for color, but especially the color white. So we painted our house almost entirely white, and I cannot tell you the effect it's had on my mood. Being in a bright white space just makes everything feel clean. It makes everything feel bright and happy to me. It has made a huge difference. So it took us a long time to get everything painted in the house, but it is now, and it has made so much difference. Day 23 was for my hobbies. This is me in my craft area, or it was a while back. Yeah, I have lots of hobbies. Crafting is just one of them, and I'm pretty happy that I get a chance to pursue all of them in some fashion. Oh, it looks like I lost a heart from somewhere. Maybe it was over here. I'm not really sure. Yeah, it looks like it was probably right here. Okay, so day 24, I was thankful for Thanksgiving. We had such a great Thanksgiving this last year. We got to see family. We also got to see friends. It was perfect. I couldn't have really asked for, that's not sticking at all. I'm gonna have to add some glue to that. I couldn't have asked for a better holiday, so very thankful for that time. Day 25 was for sweater weather. I love the fall. It's my favorite season, so I love when I get to drag out my sweaters and cozy clothing, so I'm happy for that weather. Day 26 was for the Fret Set. So that's the band that Jesse plays with every week, and it's just a group who get together and play some old-timey music. Jesse plays mandolin and fiddle, so he gets to hang out with these really great people and play with them every week. Super thankful for them. Day 27 is for quiet. So as an introvert, I value the time I have to be just in a quiet home, and it's sometimes a luxury in this crazy house, but I usually manage to eke some out, and I'm very thankful for that. Day 28 was for my family. So these are my crazy siblings, or they're my crazy siblings, that's me. And my brother got married this year, and I got to see lots of extended family, and I love them very much. We have, our differences, but they still mean the world to me. Day 29 is for these crazy animals. If you can see, all 4 of them are in this picture. These are the ones that keep things interesting around here every day. And yeah, I don't know what life would be without them. Finally, day 30 was for our dog Foster, who we lost last year, and it's been really hard without him, but I'm thankful for the time that we had with him, so I needed to include him as well. And that's it. That is the end of my album. If you have any questions about specific things that you see here and want to know where they're from, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, if you want to check out the videos for the individual pages, I think I did 5 at a time, so depending on what day it was, you can go to that video and see how I put together the pages. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you back here very soon. Bye-bye.